Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today topic is how to configure RAID-1 on Fedora 34. RAID, redundant array of independent disks, is a data storage virtualization technology that combines multiple physical disk drive components into a single logical unit for the purpose of data redundancy, performance improvement, or both. A popular disk or solid state drive subsystem that increase safety by writing the same data on two drives, called mirroring. RAID-1 does not increase performance. However, if one drive fails, the second drive is used and the failed drive is manually replaced. This tutorial covers the configuration procedure of RAID-1 on Fedora 34. Now I'm going to check OS version. Use this command cat space/etc OS-release. Press enter. This is OS version Fedora 34. Now I'm going to check disk plug by using this command. See here I have two disks for STB and STC 10. Now I'm going to create partition. Use this command. Press enter. Enter into new partition creation. Enter P2 partition section. Press 1 and enter. Here we can give hard disk size. I'm gonna give 5 GB. Press enter. Enter T and enter L to list. Then enter FT for write. Enter P. Then enter W2. Save the partition. Then again repeat this partition command for another one partition creation. fdisk space/dev/stc. Press enter. And save the partition. Now I'm going to install mdadm package by using this command. Press enter. This package already installed. Now I'm going to check any RAID configuration available or not. Use this command to check RAID partitions. Nothing any RAID configuration here. Now I'm going to create RAID configuration by using this following command. Press enter. Press Y. RAID configuration is created. Now I'm going to check again the RAID configuration detail. Press enter. You can see here RAID configuration detail here. Two RAID partitions is created. This command is used for checking RAID detail. You can see here And another one command is to check RAID using this command also. We can see here full RAID configuration detail. And now I'm going to make directory for mounting point, and then I'm going to make file system for this directory using this command mkfs.ext4/dev/md5. File system is successfully created, and then I'm going to check plkit for copy this id and open fstab configuration file. Make this mounting point configuration. Then save and exit. Now I'm going to mount, and then check the disk detail df -h. You can see here RAID-1 configuration detail is showing here. I give 55 GB for this RAID-1 configuration, but it only taking for 4 GB only. Now I'm going to change directory to RAID-1. Press enter, then list the file. Now I'm going to create one file by using cat command. You can put any content inside the file. Then save and exit, and then create one directory. Then again list. A file is created inside the directory. Now I'm going to check disk block detail lsvlk. You can see here all partition detail here, and then check hard disk df -h. RAID-1 configuration is successfully configured on Fedora 34.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.